is Andrew Tasker, and I work in the automation department. The project that I have here before you is the 914s. Before we came up with this program for the 914s, we decided it was a hand operation, and the operator would actually have to hand bag and weigh each one of these bags and then seal it and then put it into a box. We decided that was very monotonous and needed to be faster. So we decided that we were going to utilize the robot, and we were going to have it pick directly from the source and take it back to the box indexer and drop it into these tubes that we designed that actually cradles the bag. And then once it does all the shots for all these bags, it rolls down the conveyor and the next one comes up and available, and the operator just has to take these ones, seal it up, and then put it in the box. And my name is Andrew Tasker, and this is my 2-second improvement.